Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change the language on your CoinMarketCap application on your mobile device. So let's get started. Open up the CoinMarketCap application and once you are inside the homepage, tap on your profile icon at the top right hand corner. Now, click on the language option from the expanded menu. Choose your preferred language from the list of available language on the display. Simply tap on one of the languages and you will then be able to display your app in your chosen language. After making these adjustments, the CoinMarketCap application will reflect the selected language throughout the interface. You can always get back to the same page and change back to the language of your choice again by following these steps. So that's how you easily change your language setting on CoinMarketCap application. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.